Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's Marina here and I'm going to show you my latest project. It's about a vintage pregnancy journal and it's the first time I tried to make a project like this, and I mean a pregnancy journal, but I was very happy with the result. I decided to make for every month a room to place the photo of the mom's belly. And here I am writing details about the date that mom learned the happy news. The truth is that in the beginning I was feeling very confused on how I was going to make a journal like this and what exactly I was going to write on, but I think that the result is quite good. Why don't you leave me your comments down below in the description area and tell me how you found this first attempt of mine? I divided the journal in 3 trimesters as we usually do in our pregnancy. I thought that this sentiment that says "and so the adventure begins" was the most suitable stamp for the end of the 9th month. That was for today. See you next time. Bye!